Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me Agya Matya, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting project on AI Thinker, which is used to control electronic devices like fan, light, TV, etc. offline with voice command. Are you excited? So let's start. I am going to unbox it. Here we get AI Thinker chip, mic and speaker. I'm going to show the connection of speaker and mic. I will take you to my laptop to install English firmware because it comes with Chinese firmware. So now I am in my laptop. So now I will open UniOne update tool. So I have already connected AI Thinker to my laptop. So there is COM4. So now I will click this button. So now I will choose Uni app release update and open. So now finally I will choose this button to install firmware. Now the firmware is installed successfully. I will show you the demonstration. Now I will connect power bank to AI Thinker. Hi Pudding.
Hi, how can I help?
Turn on the light.
Okay, turn on the light.
Turn off the light.
Okay, turn off the light.
Warm light on.
Okay, warm light turn on.
Warm light off.
Okay, warm light turn off.
See you.
See you later.
Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. If you need AI Thinker firmware, just comment below. Till then, bye bye.